And just before the year ends, here's an interesting opportunity for you to save up on all of the add-ons and assets that you've always wanted. The Blender Market sale is happening and it is running from now till November the 28th, 11:59 Central Time. And for those who like to save up on all of the assets, tutorials, and also add-ons that are available on Blender Market, right now is the best time for you to do that. And if you'd like to see more of the tools that are currently available, I'm going to put a link in the description that will bring you right here, where you can check out all of the tools that are currently on sale. But then, if you're wondering where to start from, then let's talk about some courses. Right here, the folks at CG Cookie are giving out all of their courses for 25% off. So in case you're looking for where to start off and learn some stuff, you can start off from here. The folks at Blender Bros, they are also giving out every single thing that they have from 50% off, which is twice the price that you get from the default Blender Market sales, of course. And for their bundle, they're giving out 70% off, which is extremely huge. The folks at Creative Stream, the very same folks that created the cinematic lighting in Blender, they're also having a huge set of courses that is going on for 25% as well. And like we mentioned, PreviewFX is also putting out everything that they have for 25% off. So just in case you like to learn how to create some post-processing, you like to get some true assets, maybe you're into VDBs or explosions, or maybe a fire pack, you can get all of these 25% off. Unfortunately, P2 Design isn't joining the sale at this point. Hopefully they get to join the sale within the coming days. And just in case you like to get into animation, they do have some fantastic courses that teaches animation, but currently they're not joining the sale, and hopefully they get to join the sale as the sale proceeds. And for asset, Polyford has created and recently announced the Mechanical Creature Kit. Right now, this is also doing 20% off, so for anyone who wants to get any of his highly detailed 250 plus parts of creating mechanical characters, just like the ones you can find on his YouTube channel, then you can come through and check them out. These also comes with 8 animated parts, and they are built with photorealistic materials to get that high quality stuff that you're going for. At the same time, if you want to get more assets, then you should consider checking out the folks at Polyheaven. We've talked about them with their huge collection of assets, and right now you can also get them for 25% off. And for those who like more stuff, Hacknoblouch also has all of his assets available. You can also find more assets from Diesel. 3D Shaker is also another interesting creator that has lots of his assets available. So you're looking for interior decoration asset, you'll be able to find tons of these, and it's pretty interesting to see that everything they have is on sale. And we've talked about Abubon previously with this huge set of shaders and assets which are super nice. At the same time, M-Design is doing a huge sale, and there is a 52% off bundle that contains office chairs. So if you're looking for any of these office chairs and you want to get them as a bundle, this might just be the best offer. And if you're in the market for shaders and materials, then you might want to take a look at Santos Library Procedural Materials and Asset. Now available with the Geometry Node asset, this comes with 290 plus materials that you can play with. High quality, fully procedural materials that can get you anything that you're looking for, with some additional geometry nodes. And for those who like to try this before they purchase, there is actually a free version which you can try. Curtis Holt is giving out some of his amazing procedural patterns, the Generator Lab, the Procedural Moss, the Scatter City, and also some high quality stylized hard surface materials. And if you're looking for something more playful, then you might want to consider taking a look at Southern Shorty. Southern Shorty has the Crafted Asset Pack, and this comes with some amazing 3D materials, assets, shaders, and particles that you can work with. For those who are thinking about stylized stuff, this is a wonderful one for you to check out. And if you're looking for even more stylized stuff, Doublegum has some pretty nice things. From the Toon Shader Kamikaze pack all the way to the Ultimate Clay Shader, there are lots of nice things that you can pick from that is available from Doublegum. Ducky 3D also has some very impressive real-time materials that you can work with. And right now, he's running a fully 50% sale. So if you like to get this, you can simply use the coupon code D350 and get 50% during checkout. So previously he was doing a 25% off, and right now he's doubling that, which is super impressive. So if you're into motion graphics or you're looking for high quality materials that you can use in real time for both Eevee and cycles, then Ducky 3D has something for you. Sagidis is also putting out the real ice cream shader and also the real foam for sale. So if you want to get any of this, probably you want to create real foams or you would like to explore with the set of ice cream shaders, then these are currently available for sale. 3D Vision also has lots of things that you can pick up if you're looking for more realistic shaders and also assets. So if you're into effect shaders or you're looking for something as cute as a pure tone water shader, then this is right here. Andrew D, the creator of Cyber Hologram, the Extreme PBR, and also the Hedge Diary Maker, is putting everything on sale. So if you're looking for shaders and materials that you can use to create some nice sci-fi looking holograms, or probably you're into creating HDRIs, or you like to explore with more EV materials with the Extreme PBR Nexus, then these are currently available and on sale. Anthony Bagattini, creator of BaggerPi, the Quick Compo, Rain Generator, and the Bagger IV Generator, are putting out every of their content on sale. The Bagger IV Generator is a brand new tool that they've just announced, and this is by far one of the coolest IV generators that they've just made, with over 120 variations of tools to play with, alongside animation and full control for however you like to customize your IV. At the same time, the folks at Polygonic are also putting out all of their content on sale, from Botanic to Traffic all the way to Render Set. All of these are currently available for you to grab and start creating amazing landscape. The folks at B Production are also putting out all of their landscaping tools, their camera tools, their lighting tool, and of course their transportation, which are car assets. These are very lovely assets and tools that you can work with in terms of creating amazing camera effects. The Cam FX is a wonderful one, and the Global Light Texture is a renowned tool for creating that realistic looking shadows on your model. And for those who are thinking about making vegetations, these vegetation tools and also the packs are available, and you can proceed to grab them. Popularly known as Scatter, BD3D has rebranded their tool to GeoScatter. The GeoScatter 5.3 is available, and this is by far the best scattering tool for Blender. So for anyone who is thinking about scattering stuff, probably you like to control how this gets scattered, you're looking for a scattering tool that works with ID map, that is fully editable, has lots of precision and control for anyone to work with, supports interaction, has camera culling, and some advanced effects, then this might just be the tool that you have been looking for. And just like we mentioned, this is one of the best tools that you can get when you're thinking about scattering in Blender. Strike Digital is also putting out the Alpha Tree 2.0 and the Rockets Photoscanned Rock Pack for sale. So if you're looking for trees that you can use to create massive forest and also landscape, then the Alpha Trees 2.0 is available. At the same time, if you're looking for more high quality trees, then you might want to check out our Animation Studio, as they proceeded to include the Flora, the Saga, the Advanced Fire Shader, and also their Blaze add-on for the sale, so you can have 25% off all of them. And if you're thinking about character generators and animation tools, then there's a couple of them that you can find on the Blender market. The Human Generator version 3 is now available for 25% off, as Oliver J. Post have included both the Human Generator, the Smudge Pro, and also the Instant Material for this sale. At the same time, if you're thinking about making hair for your models, or maybe you would like to get some of these very nice tools that you can use to make extensions, hair clumps, and create some very fantastic looking hair for your models, then the folks at VFX Grace are putting all of their stuff. Additionally, Zen Graphics is also putting out all of their lollipop characters that you can use for very nice, cute motion graphics, and the clothes in motion, which you can use to clothe your characters. The clothes in motion comes with a couple of assets that you can use, and at the same time, they do have the Grab It add-on. The Grab It add-on is a wonderful add-on that you can use to constrain objects to your characters, and this will be good for animation. At the same time, if you're thinking about adding cloth to your models, making clothes, or maybe you're into wrapping and concepting, then you might want to consider checking out JSlav. JSlav has created the Simply Clothes add-on, which you can use to create clothes for your models. They do have a good number of asset packs for clothing. From the Epic Preset Clothing Pack all the way to simple asset packs for clothing, you have every single thing to wrap your characters in. At the same time, they do have a bundle, which is the Simply add-on bundles that comes with the Simply Concept, the Simply Cloth Pro, the Simply Micro Mesh, and the Simply Wrap Pro. And for rigging artists, Attel is putting out the Auto Rig Pro, the Auto Rig Pro Quick Rig, and all of the other tools that you can find on his storefronts for sale. So in case you're thinking about rigging and you're looking for something that can allow you rig quickly, then the Auto Rig Pro is one that you should consider. When making your rigs, you might need some animation layers to layer up those animations, and that is where the animation layers from Tal Hedgecock comes in. This is currently going for 25% off as well. Blastframe is also putting out all of their tools for playing with keyframes within the graph editor for sale. At this point, if you want to get this, you can choose to get any of these, or you can go for the Ultimate Animators bundle, which comes with every single thing that you have here, but for a much more subsidized price. And if you're thinking about transferring motions from Mixamo to Rigify, or from Unreal Engine Skeleton to Rigify, then Dennis Chera has a couple of tools that can help you do that, as they're also on sale. And for those who love to capture facial performances, or maybe you're into facial performance capture, then the Face It add-on is currently going on sale, and this is beautiful. This is fully integrated in Blender, and it is ready for ARKit performance with your mobile device. So if you're thinking about capturing your own facial performance, and you like to use your mobile device to just simply plug and play and start capturing, then you should consider checking out Face It for your facial expression and performance capture. And with Blender Geometry Node taking precedence over so many other ways of creating in Blender, lots of creators are making some impressive stuff. The Urbaniac building generator from Masun Parisio is also available on sale. Actually, if you go over to his page, you'll notice that every single thing that he has here, from assets all the way to packs, they are all on sale. And if you're looking for some more interesting looking buildings, then the procedural Utopian buildings pack from Obeid is also available. This is doing a massive slash. So previously, this was sold at 40, and then it was discounted to 19. And on top of that, there is also a 25% going on, and you can get it for 14 right now. CityGen is also another generator that can be used to generate various kinds of cities, and with the current version 1.7 being updated, this is also on sale. The fractal machine from Bad Normal is also on sale, and this is very good for those who are interested in creating complex, high detailed fractals in Blender. And still speaking about generators, Next Architecture has just released the Next Building Generator and the Next Rain version 1. All of these alongside the Next Sketch, which can be used to generate and create some interesting looking buildings, some scattering, some trees, ivies, and also clouds, all by drawing a simple stroke on your viewport, is also available. Addons Webby, which is also another interesting creator, has loads of things on his page. So if you're into motion graphics, you're into stylized looking stuff, he has a whole lot of things, very unique designs, and of course you can come through and grab them. And if you're looking for some atmospheric tools, then you can check out Physical Addon. The folks at Physical Addon, creators of the Physical Celestial and also the Physical Starlight and Atmosphere, are putting all of their products on sale. Initially, the Physical Celestial object had the 50% off because it was early sale, and now they are topping that with another 25%, so right now you're going to save even way more. And for sure, if you're looking for atmospheric tools that you can work with, the Physical Starlight and Atmosphere is a wonderful one with a long track record of being an awesome tool for everyone to use. Eternal Sky is currently not doing a sale, but they do have 35% off, and this is a better deal for anyone. Instead of getting the 25% off, you're having 10% extra. This comes with a good number of controls, as you can add volumetric clouds, fogs, and also work with an Opress HDRI from 4, 8 all the way to 16K. For anyone who is interested in getting any of this, probably you're looking for something that ships with volumetric cloud that is highly customizable, and you're thinking about getting 35% off, then you might just want to grab it. Lens flare is also another atmospheric element that we'll like to see in our scenes, and that is where Flare comes in. Flare is a beautiful add-on that you can use. This is also on sale for 25%, so you can come through and check it out and see some of the beautiful visuals that you can create with this, and it looks pretty awesome. Dare is also putting out the volumetric cloud generator on sale as well, so if you're thinking about adding some very wonderful clouds, or probably you would like to make some text, do some very interesting things with clouds, then you can check out Daro's page. And for sure, if you're looking for more options, the procedural atmosphere is also available. This is from the folks at Contrast Render, and the beautiful thing about their tool is this works procedurally, so you can control whatever you want. It is also very quick, and you can also use it in real time. So if you're looking for atmospheric add-ons, these are some of the ones that are currently available on sale, which you can check out. And for those that are into physics and fracture, RBD Lab 1.3 is currently available on sale. You can get that. Monami is also putting out the Flares Wizard and also the Animax 2.0. This is a very interesting tool for procedural animation, and this can be used by motion graphic artists and also visual effect artists. The VFX Guide is also putting out all of his tools alongside a bundle for the one-click damage and also cracker. So if you would like to get all of this, and probably you want to add a couple of edge on wear and some cracks on your model, then this bundle is one you should check out. Lewis Martins is also doing a 25% off on everything that he has. So from the True Fire to the Particle Library, down to the sign pack, all of these are on sale. There's also a bundle which offers 25% off, and I guess there's an additional 25% happening on this one. And for hard surface artists, the Fluent Stressless Modeling tool is available, and you can also get some more stuff with Blender Goopy. At the same time, if you're looking for more things like K-Packs, then you should consider checking out Chip Walters, as he has a huge set of assets and add-ons that you can pick up. The same can be said for Mark Kingsnot, as he also has a couple of nice things that you can use for your hard surface. And if you're looking for some more premium modeling tools, Run Tools from Amandeep is an all-in-one tool that is super nice. So this comes with lots and lots of options that can help you get started with your modeling, and also a couple of utilities that can save you tremendous amount of time. The Grid Modeler is also available, currently made by Koshiro CG, And he also has a good number of hard surface and modeling tools that is available on his storefront. If you're thinking about retopology, the folks at Orange Turbine, they do have the Retopo Flow, and of course they do have some more stuff that you can get. There's actually this new tool that I think you guys may definitely need. It's called the Mesh Heal. And what this does is it sort of restores your mesh object after you've erased certain parts. I'm still sort of wondering how this works, but so far it looks pretty nice, and I guess we should make a video about that so that you guys can see that firsthand. And if you want to get this, there is a 35% offer if you already have their previous tool called the Sketch and Carve. So in case you want to get that, you can also come through and see this. And of course, if you like to create your own Blender add-on, then you should look up Serpent Street. This is a visual scripting add-on for creators that allows you to create your own add-ons without using code, and it is pretty interesting. Eevee folks are going to love these tools from New Media Supply, as they do have lots of interesting things. One of their most loved tools for me is the Eevee Express and the Eevee Production Suite. These are very interesting tools that you can use for Eevees, and of course they do have some materials, they do have some assets. These are very lovely stuff. And if you're into rendering, you might want to check out the Turbo Tools version 3 from 3D Illusion, and this is a powerful rendering tool that sort of saves you all the time you need and retains the texture details. This works with low-end graphic cards and is supported for both Eevee and Cycles, and currently they're doing a 25% off for Saturdays and Sundays and a 50% off for Black Friday, and I think this is still holding on all the way down till the end of the sale. And K-Cycles is also doing the massive 25% sale. Now K-Cycles originally have this 25% sale going on, and right now there is an additional 25% sale which is going on, and I think this is also huge. So for anyone who would like to get any of these things, you know, links to this is going to be in the description. You could as well as check out some of these very interesting tools as well, like the Simple Cage for making some very nice physics collision animation when animating your characters. There's also the Bone Dynamics Pro, which is super nice for making physics dynamics for joints. The Lighter add-on is also another very interesting add-on that they have. CGPs also has some very cool stuff for motion graphic artists that are thinking about how to bring in text and also work with text and animate them in Blender. The folks from Blender add-on do have some very interesting tools like the automation, the natural lighting, and also rigging tools. So lots of things available right now on the Blender market. So in case you're thinking about getting any of these, there are so many options and you will definitely fall in love with them. So this is more like it. For those who like to get this, you can simply go over to the link in the description, and I'm going to put some cards, some end notes that will take you right here where you can check these things out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.